During this COVID-19 pandemic, let's make the most out of our time by learning new things. I hope you got the message of this video. You can pass this by sharing this video to your friends or family. And if you did enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Shout out to my friend Alfie Barcarce. You can follow him at this page down below. See you again next time.